Pope Francis, born Jorge Mario Bergoglio on December 17, 1936, in Buenos Aires, Argentina, became the first pope from the Southern Hemisphere and the first Jesuit to lead the Roman Catholic Church when he was elected in March 2013. His papacy marked a significant shift within the Church, both in terms of leadership style and the priorities he set for its mission. Pope Francis's early life in a working-class family imbued him with a deep understanding of the struggles of the marginalized. His commitment to social justice and his emphasis on the Church's mission to the poor became defining features of his papacy. He frequently spoke about the importance of compassion, mercy, and humility, calling on Christians to engage actively with the world's most vulnerable. One of the most notable aspects of his leadership was his focus on interfaith dialogue. Pope Francis sought to build bridges between different religions and foster mutual respect and understanding. His historic meeting with the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar, Ahmed El-Tayeb, in 2019 exemplified his commitment to promoting peace and coexistence in a world often plagued by religious intolerance. Additionally, Pope Francis was an outspoken advocate for environmental stewardship. His encyclical Laudato Si', published in 2015, addressed the urgent need for environmental action and the responsibility that humanity has to care for creation. He framed climate change not only as a scientific issue but as a moral one, calling on all people to take action for the sake of future generations. Throughout his papacy, Pope Francis faced criticism from traditionalists who felt his approach was too liberal. However, his ability to engage with a broad audience, including those disenchanted with the Church, revitalized interest in Catholicism for many. His straightforward, approachable manner made him a beloved figure to millions around the world. Pope Francis's commitment to the principles of social justice, interfaith dialogue, and environmental advocacy will leave an enduring legacy. His leadership has challenged people across the globe to reconsider their values and to respond to the needs of the marginalized, the poor, and the planet itself. Today, we gather to remember and honor the life of Pope Francis, who passed away on April 21, 2025. He was not just the shepherd of the Catholic Church. To many, he was a beacon of hope, compassion, and unwavering love. Pope Francis dedicated his life to the service of others, advocating for the poor, the marginalized, and all who felt voiceless in society. He taught us that our faith must be alive, vibrant, and active in the pursuit of justice. His messages of mercy and humility resonated globally, inspiring countless individuals to lead lives defined by kindness and understanding. Francis was a bridge builder. He sought peace among people of different faiths, emphasizing the beauty of dialogue and respect. His encounters with leaders of other religions were a testament to his belief in unity, showing us that together we can create a more harmonious world. Pope Francis was also a passionate steward of our environment, urging us to care for our planet as a sacred duty. His words in Laudato Si' called on each of us to take responsibility for the earth, reminding us that caring for creation is essential to caring for one another. As we reflect on his life, let us carry forward his vision of a church that is inclusive, compassionate, and deeply rooted in service to others. Pope Francis taught us that love knows no boundaries and that mercy is the heart of our faith. Let us remember him not only for his teachings, but for his authenticity, his warmth, and his unwavering commitment to God's call. In his passing, we feel a profound loss, yet we take solace in knowing that his legacy will continue to inspire future generations. May he rest in peace, embraced by the love he so fervently shared with us all.